Hey everyone, welcome back to Study Wizards. Today we're going to be talking about the respiratory system. So I'm going to talk about how it powers your body and why your brain and blood work together to control your breath. So let's get started. So what is the respiratory system? So your respiratory system is how your body gets the oxygen it needs and gets rid of the carbon dioxide, which it doesn't want. It includes your nose, trachea, lungs, diaphragm, and even your blood vessels. You breathe over 20,000 times a day, and every single breath keeps your body going. So let's pretend to follow a breath. So air comes in through your nose or mouth, and it goes down your trachea and into your bronchi, which leads to your lungs. And inside your lungs, the air travels through tiny tubes called the bronchioles. Then it reaches alveoli, which are tiny balloon-like air sacs. Now, each alveolus is surrounded by tiny blood vessels called capillaries, and this is where the real magic happens. So, gas exchange happens in these capillaries, and specifically inside the alveoli as well. So, inside the alveoli, oxygen, O2, from the air that you breathe it in, moves into the capillaries. There, it attaches to the red blood cells using a protein called hemoglobin. And these red blood cells travel through your bloodstream, delivering oxygen to each cell in your body. But at the same time, carbon dioxide, CO2, a waste gas, which we don't want, which is made by your cells, moves out of the bloodstream and back into the alveoli, and then you breathe it out. So every breath in brings oxygen, and every breath out gets rid of carbon dioxide. So what exactly controls breathing? So your brain actually plays a big part into controlling your breathing because it keeps track of the carbon dioxide levels in your blood. If there's too much CO2 building up, your brain tells your body to take deeper breaths and to breathe faster. So it helps you get rid of the extra CO2 as you're exhaling more. But if there's too little CO2, your brain signals slow down, breathe more gently. So even though oxygen is super important, your brain actually watches CO2 more closely to decide how you breathe. So now, something very interesting that you should know about the respiratory system is how important cilia and mucus are. Okay, the respiratory system protects yourself with the cilia and mucus from outside bacteria and all those debris and dusts. So mucus traps dust, pollen, and germs, and cilia, which are tiny hair-like structures, sweep away the dirt and mucus out of your airways. I believe that there are cilia in your nose and also down your trachea, which helps if any dust has further gone down for the mucus and the cilia to help block and keep them trapped in there. And that's why a lot of people suggest that you should breathe from your nose rather than your mouth, because your mouth doesn't have that filtration that your nose does. So why does it really matter? Your cells need oxygen to make energy, and they make carbon dioxide as waste. Your lungs, blood, diaphragm, and brain work together to keep this balance perfect, so your body works like it should. So that's it. Now you know breathing isn't just air in and out, it's a high-speed delivery system, a waste removal team, and a super smart brain control process. So if you guys have any more questions, leave them in the comments below, and I will link some extra videos you guys should take a look at. All right, see you guys in the next one. Bye-bye.